Hello everyone, this is Epic Robloxian King. It's been about a month since I've started learning to script in Roblox. I made this little clicking game where you click blocks that show up and they give you points. So we have this click to start button which counts down. And then you have to click the green blocks to get points. And if you click a red block, you'll lose 3 points. See? And green blocks give 1 point. And then there's occasional gold blocks that give you 5 points. So this is the game that I've made after 1 month of learning to script. See you guys next time.